Curio's authentication process is simple. You don't have to worry about forgetting your password. At school, you have access to Curio without logging in. At home, however, you need to authenticate yourself before using the platform. To start, go to the login page. First, enter your institutional email address. Then go to your inbox to find the verification code. Come back to Curio and simply enter your 8-digit code. That's all you need to do to log in. The first time you log in, take a minute to configure your preferences. By creating your profile, you can be sure the recommendations you receive will be adapted to your needs. Those recommendations are available in the Recommended for You section. To modify your preferences, go to the My Profile section under the My Account menu. To stay up to date on cool content and themes for the classroom, subscribe to the Curio newsletter by replying to our invitation email or completing the form available at the bottom of our website page. Need help or more information? Check out the Help Center. You'll find answers to frequently asked questions.